I'm Holly Silva, and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY Valentine's hearts using clear shelf paper and cellophane. So we're going to take this clear shelving paper and pull it to the side. Now this has an adhesive on the back. So this right here is like the waxy paper that you can set anything on. This one here, be careful with it because anything will stick to it. So take your cellophane, which will stick to that, and place it here, nice and flat. Now a lot of this shelving paper has grids on the back of it so that you can make sure that everything is in line and everything's lined up properly. Don't worry too much about the corner because we're probably going to cut most of that off. But do make sure that everything else is nice and straight as you go on. All right. Now press that down. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut around here, cut around the cellophane piece. Set that aside for just a moment. Now we're going to take a look at this and pull off the wax paper. All right, so now we have cellophane on one side and our sticky on the other. So now we no longer have the stickiness of the contact paper. Now what we're going to do is just simply trim around, and we're going to cut some hearts into it. Like this. And now you see we have some pretty transparent hearts. They're transparent, they're a little, I wouldn't even say opaque, they're pretty transparent. Depending on the color of cellophane that you can use lots of different colors and different things. Now that is how you DIY Valentine's hearts using clear shelving paper and cellophane. See you next time.